In a DIY face mask, you can substitute rice flour with any other flour that has similar properties. Some alternatives to rice flour for a face mask include oat flour. It is gentle on the skin, helps to soothe irritated skin, and has a soft exfoliating effect. Almond flour. It contains vitamin E, which helps to nourish and moisturize the skin. Chickpea flour. It is rich in protein and helps to brighten the skin. Cornstarch. It has a similar texture to rice flour and can help to absorb excess oil from the skin. Arrowroot powder. It is a natural thickener that can help to give the face mask a smooth consistency. Potato flour. It can help to soothe irritated skin and has a soft exfoliating effect. It's important to keep in mind that every skin type is different and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergic reactions, it's always best to do a patch test on a small area of skin before using any new product on your face.